All right, today Chad and I are going to be checking out this beautiful 1970 Olds 442. This is just an extremely rare and quality car. When they did the restoration, they did it so professionally. All the correct factory markings, a beautiful interior. Just, I don't know what else to say about it. Quality car.
Yeah, just in my opinion, a #1 quality car from bumper to bumper. Done in its original white with black bucket seat console interior. Just a fantastic car. If you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, you'll see the undercarriage, and it's just completely rust-free, beautiful condition. The firewall's got all the correct markings on it. Motor's been rebuilt.
And with this motor, the period correct 455, 365 horsepower block. It also got the correct cylinder head and exhaust manifold, and the transmission is a numbers matching 400 automatic.
It's hard to beat this. 365 horsepower. The condition of this car, as far as the paint, the jams, the whole car is, like I said, a #1 condition car in my opinion.
Another thing a little bit different with this Olds is it's Sport Coupe. So they only built 1,600 of those. Right around 1,600 Sport Coupes. The rest were hardtops.
Yeah, very rare car. If we go from, start here at the front bumper, the chrome was in excellent condition, and I love the stance on this 442. It looks exactly like it would have come from the factory. Original color combination, those white oval Firestone bias tires, and those awesome Rallye rims. Everywhere we look on this car, if we look at the back side of the hood, it matches up perfectly to the top of the fender, top of the door. The body lines are great. If you're looking for a 1970 442 sedan, I mean, there's only how many produced?
1,688.
1,688 of them produced, and I bet there ain't 100 of them left in existence. And I guarantee this is the nicest one out of 100. I just love that trumpet exhaust, the exhaust cutouts in the bumper. It's got a great idle to it. It's got the G70 14s. Wheels and tires are like brand new. This is a car you have to see in person, you guys, to appreciate the quality. Just the door panels. It's about like that blue Challenger we had, Dalton. I mean, you can't really say much about it. It's just, everything's just almost perfect on it. Corner of the door is nice and solid. Door jamb paint's all nice on it. Dash pad is excellent. The paint on the steering column and on the dash itself is perfect.
Media baby has
original AM radio works, horn works, the clock works. It's got the tick tack in it. Tachometer works perfect as well. It's got 86,475 miles. Gas gauge, temp gauge, oil pressure gauge all works. Oil pressure's way on the high side.
I love the his and hers dual gate shifter too.
Yeah, that Hurst shifter is fantastic. And the console, I mean, I don't really know what to say. This car just really leaves you speechless. The light works in the trunk. The light works in the dash, in the glove box, under the dash. Dome light. It's got all the overhead seat belts and they're tucked in there very nicely. The back seat, back shelf is perfect. Door panels are excellent. If you want a show quality one, this is it.
I haven't seen any, imperfections on it as far as.
I haven't seen anything either. Laser straight, rust free.
I love that exhaust.
Another thing to point out, the glass is all excellent on the car. It's got a light tint to it. The glass is in excellent shape. Back shelf. Vinyl top is perfect. There's not a bubble or blister anywhere in it. Even the chrome around this little sedan chrome is in excellent shape too.
And you know, some people might want to. One thing I like about the posts better than, you know, just the hard top, they seal up a lot better. You know, you don't have to mess with all the rubbers.
That's why a lot of people got them. You know, they're just a little solider car that way.
Not a lot of people got them really, but they should have.
All right, let's take it for a spin. Another thing I like is I love the mirror. You know, the mirror is just super cool on this car. Tack works perfect.
That shifter, I'm trying to remember how to slide it forward.
Just goes up like that. Here's your slap stick over here. Sign. Oh, you can't go all the way in reverse. There's that.
Neutral, yeah. Pretty cool.
The steering wheel, another thing, it's got tilt steering, which is awesome. Very nice for a muscle car to have.
Another neat thing I kind of learned about this car is in the Hendrick Motorsport collection, which is pretty neat.
And the power steering on this Olds just is so smooth. Nice and quiet going down the road. The steering wheel is nice and straight. As far as our brakes go, brakes stop nice and straight on it. Really nice pedal as well. Pedals all the way up to the top. Heater fan works. Wipers work correctly, and there they are, the 2-speed wipers in the park.
Just really smooth.
These 442s pick up speed in a hell of a hurry. You're right, Dalton. We mentioned this on the post. It seals up. We got a windy day today. You can tell just by the howl here, but I'll tell you what, it seals up beautifully. The kickdown works great on the transmission. You can just feel yourself sitting back, and then as soon as that tranny shifts, I mean, it's got a nice firm shift to it. Even on a windy day, it handles great. 60 mile an hour. We're running about 2,500 RPMs.
I just love these Olds. They just drive so nice.
What a quality car, dog. Not only paint and interior, but the drivability, mechanics of it. It's just a fantastic car. You could jump in it and go anywhere you want to go.
Make sure you go on their website and check out the undercarriage of this thing too. How beautiful underneath. Our website is coyoteclassics.com. Check this car out and give us a call.